some skulls, and I wanted to do a sugar skull, but I just wanted to get inspiration on colors. So I found some things that I like, but then I just took the prompt myself and I said, give me a psychedelic sugar skull with purple roses or something like that. And so I got that, but I didn't like it. So then I changed it again. And here's what's going on with Midjourney. You should have a conversation with it. In other words, I got this, but I don't like this. Redo this again. And then, but this time give me a white background, which is what I did. And then I was like, damn, I still don't like the roses. I upscaled it and I was like, I don't like that. And so I was like, look, do it this time, but just give me, a plain joint without the roses on a white background. And it did it again, and I didn't like that. I was like, well, give me a black background. Then he gave me some funky neon colors, and I just kept doing iterations, and I was like, man, you know what? And I got to one I liked. I'm like, man, it needs something else. So to throw some headphones on this joint. And then, to me, it started looking like something. So then I found one that I liked, and I didn't do too much, fiddling around then. And I upscaled that one. And then what you want to do is upscale it again. You want the largest image you could possibly get in Midjourney. Jump into Photoshop, and what you want to do is you want to knock out that black, which is why it's best to use a black or a white background, but black is best. So I knew to grab my magic wand, but I had to turn the tolerance down to like a 5 or a 6, so you don't select everything. So just hit the black with your magic wand, and then go to select similar, and it's going to select all the black in your jump off, right? Then just click delete, and you're pretty much done. So now I'm hoping that this comes out okay. We're just doing this on the fly. So obviously we must be back at the shirt by now. And I guess I can let you know what it looks like in the end. I guess you can be the judge. I'm hoping that we dig it. And maybe I can give you a thumbs up in the video and let you know if we like it or if we don't like it. If it's like boom, boom, ba boom. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Coffee break.